Now let me show you how to solve RPM, feed rate, cut time, and material removal rate, spindle horsepower, and torque needed for end milling some 1020 low carbon steel with a 4-tooth high-speed steel tool. I'm going to start off by hitting convert times to clear everything out for a good starting point. Now the material I want to use is number 1, the 1020 low carbon steel. The process is number 2, end milling, and the tool type is the high-speed steel tool. There's 4 teeth on this tool, so I'm going to hit 4, convert, number of teeth is up there. I'm going to put in the width of cut, which is a 0.25. That's over the process key there. And the length of cut is a 20-inch length of cut. 20-inch. And the tool diameter is a 1/2 inch again. Now I can solve my feed per minute, 3.667 inches per minute. My cut time is going to be 5.454 minutes. My RPM is going to be 917. Now if I like, I can enter a depth of cut and get even more information. We put 1/4 inch depth of cut. Now I'm going to also get material removal rate, the spindle horsepower required, and the torque requirement. Repeated presses will cycle through these answers and inputs. So that's a quick overview on some of the more advanced uses of the speed and feed solutions. For more details, you can download our user guide at www.calculated.com/support.